I was recently gifted this chaise lounge and there is so much to love about it. To start off with, it is super comfortable, very breathable, and you can fold it all up and take it on the go. I'll show that at the end. But it has these great pockets on the side for a beverage, book, phone, whatever you want. When fully weighted, it does tip a little bit, but it keeps everything off the ground, which is especially nice if you're using this at the beach. And then the back is adjustable in two ways. Your headrest is fully adjustable. You can move it up or down or remove it completely. It's just an elastic band. Really nice, especially if you want to lay on your back and then your stomach. You can just get this out of the way. And then it has the latches on the back that really hook in, and you have 4 different levels. So I had it at the highest. It goes down one more, one more, one more, and then of course you can lay it completely flat. And then it has this slightly different footer than you may be used to, and that's because this is removable. And then you can add a cushion and turn this into a massage table. Here's your cushion, stick it on however you want, and then just lay down for your massage. This is also absolutely perfect for sunbathing, which I'm sure is the original intent, as I can lay like this forever without getting a crink in my neck and get that full suntan I'm looking for. And this headrest is not only removable, but you can also remove the fabric and wash it when needed. And I also find that in general, if I just keep it in there, it doesn't actually bother me too much to sit over it. So it can work with that on it and you can just use as is. And if you don't lock the seat back, well, it does bump up a little bit. It can give you that height if you really want to sit upright. I so love this chaise lounge. I love how exceptionally versatile it is, and I'm thrilled that I was gifted it. Let me show you the last detail, which is how easy it folds together. And to close it up, all you need to do is fold down the top, then flip it upside down and fold in these 2 bottom legs. And you're good to go. And it actually does have handles already built into it, so you can just walk away with it as is, but they provide a shoulder strap you can attach on as well. And I find that when I'm going to the beach or any type of outing, the more I can put on my shoulders, the better. And with the shoulder strap on, it's even easier. This is one really fantastic lounge chair that I am in love with and I think you'll really enjoy.